everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a DIY that everybody's probably seen before, but I'm going to spice it up a little bit. We're going to do an earring rack, or you could probably hang like some, I don't know, all kinds of jewelry things on it, or sticker packs, or whatever you want to hang on it. Super easy. Dollar Tree DIY. Zip ties. You can buy the clear ones, I want to say, at like an auto store or Walmart or somewhere like that. I don't know where I got these, but I have them. They're minis, and I like the minis. Or you could use the big ones. You're going to need a pair of scissors, maybe some painter's tape, paint. You're going to need a stencil brush or a regular brush. I am going to use a stencil brush. And, of course, you're going to need this paper towel holder. And, what else? All right, let's get into it. And I bought 3 of these. Got at the Dollar Tree. I haven't seen these forever. Finally I found them. I was like, ooh, I gotta grab these. Okay, yep. You get these at the dollar store, Dollar Tree, $1.25. You know, you're going to need some wooden chopsticks. They were like $2 or $2.50 or $1.50 or something like that for 50 of them. Take your tape, lay your tape down, try to get it as even as you can. You don't want it uneven. Lay it right in between those lines that are in between the circles. And then I'm going to do one here, here, here. Make sure you're trying to get it even. Do your best to line it up as good as you can. A small imperfection might not be noticed, but if it's not straight, that's definitely going to be noticed because, you know, it's got to be straight if you're doing a grid. It's easier if you lay one end down first and then kind of maneuver it the way you want it to go. And then you just fold it down if you want. No bigs. Next step, you're going to figure out what color you want to paint this, okay? I'm going to do pink or orange because I like those colors. And I'm definitely going to use a matte color. So matte's definitely melon orange. Okay, so I'm going to use a stencil. I like to do this a lot, is just to shake it up and then open the cap, and then look at that. You got all that paint in the cap there. And then you just dab it. What stencil brushes do is they have these thick bristles and soaks the paint up into the brush when you do that, which makes it last longer. If you Now, I didn't prime this because it had kind of a texture on it. I like the painter's tape because it comes off really easy, you know. Now I'm going to start to take off the tape now that it's dried a little bit. Save your tape if you can, because we're going to use it on the other side, and why waste tape if you don't need to? Alright, looky there. Ooh, lines. Look at the lines. That's what I was going for. Look at that. I guess you could do all kinds of designs. I kind of wanted to do a grid paper. I thought a grid paper would be kind of cute. Yeah, some of them are darker than others. I think because I went over the other ones more, maybe. I'm going to take the tape and then put it in the middle. All right, and then you're going to put it over the holes, and you want to get them spaced just as close as the last one. Try to get the tape where it's nice and even and not crinkled or anything. All right, and now we are going to take these off. Okay, so that's good. These didn't come off going that way. They stayed on. do that to all of them. I'm going to take those zip ties and I'm going to start zip tying them together. Slip it under there. Take this. I'm going to put it in the middle. I'm not doing the sides. I'm just going to do the middle. It's easier that way. Stick it in that middle hole. And then you're going to see it out on this side and you're going to pull it up and we're going to stick that through there. On top of the rack there. Okay, I'm going to do the same to this side. Do what it's supposed to do. Sometimes that won't go in. There we go. Pull it tight. This is not going to go as tight as I want it to go. There we go. Sometimes you just got to work with it till you get it just the way you want it. Now, here we go. Here's this. You want these even to where they're like this. You know what I mean? Make sure they're even. And then we're going to take, you want the notches in between this. You know what I mean by the notches, these things right here? Yeah. You want those in between here. Like that. Alright. And then we're going to take 2 more of these. Now it's probably not going to want to stay. I'm just gonna in the middle there. This way the rack can't move back and forth out of this. It'll be stuck in this position. And then pull. Look at that. Now what I like to do is stick that piece in there, but I don't know if I'll be able to. Do it tight, as tight as you want it there. Cut this part off. Push this in if you can, if there's a way to do so, because you don't want that sticking out. Like if you have customer-based things and customers are going to be messing with this, you don't want that sticking them. There we go. I don't want that sticking out and hurting somebody. Poke it in. There we go. And then just tighten everything up if you need to. Pull it, tighten it. There we go. You can tighten. This is already done, so you don't really need to tighten it. Easy to store. It's a small little display. Works great. Look at that. These sticks that I was telling you about, these bamboos, keep them together like this. Something to break them. Decide what length you want them at, and then you're going to just evenly break them. You want to do the same to the other ones, so you're going to measure. Put your things like that so they're even, and then take that off and then just snap it. They snap pretty easy. Take the 2 pieces that are still together, and we are going to take the part that we broke and we're going to stick those in these holes. All right, now whichever way you stick it in, you got to do it the opposite on the other side. We're going to face this one this way. Make sure it's pushed all the way down in there. You're going to have this one angled. The way I did it is I put them angled where those notches are on here. The notches. It's kind of moving a little bit, which leads me to believe that one of these is not, oh, there we go. One of them is not even. There we go. No, you can mess around with it if you need to get it even. Maybe sand it down if you need to. use it to display your little things, like, you know, ring holders. If you have those you're trying to display, you know, little things you want to sell. That's cute, right? And then also, it matches this. So if you got this going on, you know, and you do all the little graph things on it, then this is super cute too. And I got some little cherries here we could do. Let's see. And you just stick them in there. How cute is this, you know? It's a great little display. Use two, or you could put them together as one, so you have more space for more earrings. Or, and here's another way you can do it. You can take these things that you can also buy at the Dollar Tree and put them in like this if you wanted to go that route. And you could hang your earring cards on that. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow so I can bring you all more DIYs, more art videos, more clay videos, more time-lapse, more of everything. Until next time, see you later.